my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm giving you guys this gorgeous, nice, smoky purple look, and I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is part of the Vault collection, and yeah, I really like this palette. And this is in the Bling Boss. So the Bling Boss is mostly purples and burgundies, and yeah, I really like it. You'll see my rating on this palette at the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite Vault palette. And of course, I will be doing more palettes, well, more Vault palettes after the Bling Boss. I'll be doing Dark Magic, and after Dark Magic, I'll be doing Armed and Gorgeous, because Armed and Gorgeous seems to be the most hyped palette. So I was like, I'll just save the best for last. And if you guys want to see the Ring the Alarm from Jaclyn Hill's Vault, I'll make sure to have a card up above so you guys can check that out. And yeah, so that one, the Ring the Alarm, was a semi-cut crease. This one is a halo. The Dark Magic, I don't know. Probably going to be a matte smoky eye. And then the Armed and Gorgeous is going to be like a whole cut crease. So yeah, I just wanted to do like different looks for you guys so you guys can have options. And if you guys want me to do more videos using the vaults, just let me know down below. So if you guys want to get this look, stay tuned. But this is what Bling Boss looks like. I honestly don't know what look I'm going to do. I do want to use all the matte shades, so I'm going to give you guys all the matte shades. I don't know. I know I want to do a halo eye for sure. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use my P. Louise base, and this is in the shade 4. So you guys remember the shade 4, and I'll make sure to have it down in the description box as well of all the products I used in this video. So I'm just going to use a little bit. A little goes a long way, kind of, sort of. And you can order this from the website. I just ordered a new one because I feel like this is going to go out soon. Okay, so first I'm going to take the shade Hush Hush. And I'm going to use my Morphe. And I'm going to use my Sigma Taper Blending E35 brush. Next, we're going to use Sparks, and it's just this like burgundy. Next, I'm going to go in with Rockstar, which is this pretty purple. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. I'm just going to use the same brush, and this is how purple it is. Now we're going to go in with the shade Mystic. And I'm going to use my Morphe E17 brush. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Glitz and Glam, and then I'm going to put Bling Bling in the top. So I'm going to go in with this shade first all over the lid, and then I'm going to put this in the middle. And for my lashes, we're going to use the More Lashes by Tiffany. And you guys, I love her lashes. Like, come on. She always have good deals. She always do, like, sometimes she give out free lashes. So make sure you guys follow her on her Instagram. And make sure you guys check out her website. And I'll make sure to have everything down below. No, this is not sponsored. I buy these lashes with my own money. For my primer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I love this primer. I use this primer with all my foundations because it doesn't dry my face out. I only get oily my T-zone, so that's my forehead and my nose, and I don't mind it at all. I just pat it with a tissue and I'll be fine. So for my foundation, I am going to use the Kat Von D Like It foundation in the shade Deep 74 Warm. You guys, I've been loving this foundation a lot. I would have never thought I would love the Kat Von D Like It foundation. It's amazing. I love how full coverage it is. You don't have to use a lot. I love the shade that I am. It just looks really, really good on my skin. And I love it because it gives me a flawless finish. Like yesterday, my makeup stayed on for a very long time. And it looked so freaking good. 1D foundation in the shade Deep 74 Warm. For my concealer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I use the shade Butterscotch. Now that we look crazy, we're going to go in with the Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And we're just going to bronze up our face, give us that color back because we look like a ghost. I'm going to go in with the Patrick Starr MAC Cosmetics collab and Take Me Home. And this is the Power Blush Duo. And you guys, I love this blush. It's so pretty. And now I'm going to do my under eye because, yeah, we just need to smoke this out. And I'm just going to use the Morphe M506 brush to do so. So I'm just going to use every color I used in my crease under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean for more waterline. Go in with my Makeup Shell of Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. So for my highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit highlighter. I love this highlighter. And I'm going to use the shade Sunshine, which is right here. And I'm going to apply this on my nose, chin, and cheeks. Put it in my inner tear duct. So Iconic London sent me this Prep Set and Glow Spray, and you guys, it's amazing. I've been using it for a couple of days and it's lit. So I'll make sure to have all the description down below from this lovely product. I highly recommend it if you guys like that dewy, nice finish, especially if your foundation is kind of dry or you really don't like mattes like me. I like to look more dewy than like super matte, if that makes any sense. Also, this would be perfect for when the wintertime, fall and wintertime, because everybody gets dry. Well, not everybody, but me, I'm dry faced. So this would be a really good touch to my like winter foundation routine and fall foundation routine. So yeah, and this is the Prep Set and Glow. So you can prep, you can use this before foundation, and you can use this after foundation. And this is in the shade, it does not say, but I will make sure to have it down below. They do have like two shades. It's like a lighter champagne color, and then this is a bronze one. So this is what it looks like before, and watch the magic happen. So time for the lips. I'm going to go in with my NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Cold Brew. Now I'm going to go in with Colourpop's Ultra Matte Lippy in the shade Beeper. Okay, so I'm going to give the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss Palette a B just because of Bling Bling. So as you saw on the video, I did have a little trouble with Bling Bling. I had to like kind of scrape Bling Bling, but everything else performed amazing. Glitz and Glam was beautiful. The matte shades were beautiful. They weren't patchy at all. They blended like a dream, very pigmented. I just had a problem with Bling Bling. So since I had a problem with Bling Bling, she had to get a B. Ring the Alarm got an A. This one got a B. So that's the only problem I had was with Bling Bling, and I will be testing out some more shades. So I'll try, like with me, I try to use all the mattes because the mattes is like the really big deal because you don't want them to skip. You don't want them to be not as pigmented as they need to be. And yeah, so I give this a B. So if you like purples and burgundies, this will be a good palette for you. And it retails for 15 bucks, which isn't bad at all. You can get it at Morphe, you can get it at your local Ulta, you can get it online at Ulta. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below that you did. Also, thumbs up this video. By thumbing up the video, that's telling me that you guys love this content. And I love you guys a lot. Thank you guys for supporting me, like seriously supporting me, because I haven't been consistent like I need to. But I'm back.